Developing cellular therapies is a time-consuming and costly process that requires strict adherence to manufacturing and regulatory standards. As your partner in regenerative medicine development, REPROCELL is committed to helping you move your therapies into the clinic by providing you with safe cells to begin this process. At REPROCELL, we generate custom, clinical-grade induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, using state-of-the-art RNA reprogramming technology to meet your exact specifications. Our experienced team of reprogramming scientists uses the latest RNA reprogramming technology, providing the consistency, safety, and quality needed for demanding therapeutic projects. RNA reprogramming generates iPSCs that are free from viruses or factors that might cause harm to patients or interfere with subsequent differentiation. Clinical-grade iPSC generation requires clinical-grade donor cells. Through the REPROCELL tissue network, we identify donors that meet the necessary donor eligibility standards and fit the exact criteria our clients demand. We isolate their cells to provide starting cells for reprogramming. Our extensive donor qualification, combined with thorough and clinically compliant screening, assures that the starting cells are of the highest quality. REPROCELL combines the power of the REPROCELL tissue network with the assurance of RNA reprogramming to bring you the highest quality iPSCs for your therapeutic project. REPROCELL has more than 20 stem cell scientists worldwide to provide iPSC services. REPROCELL has 1,000 square meters of laboratory space for iPSC production. Our dedicated quality control and quality assurance scientists ensure that your iPSCs meet clinical guidelines of the FDA, EMA, and PMDA. REPROCELL has been a leader in stem cell science since 2003. Find out more at www.reprocell.com.